The Bermuda Triangle. This name conjures up images of ships vanishing into thin air and airplanes disappearing without a trace. It's a place where the laws of nature seem to bend and where the unknown lurks beneath the surface of the ocean. The Bermuda Triangle is a loosely defined region in the North Atlantic Ocean. It's often depicted as a triangular area with its points near Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda. However, the exact boundaries of this mysterious zone vary depending on who you ask. Despite its notoriety, the Bermuda Triangle is not officially recognized as a danger zone by the U.S. Board on Geographic Names. There are no warning signs or special precautions advised for ships passing through this area. Nevertheless, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle persists, fueled by tales of unexplained disappearances and strange phenomena. The Bermuda Triangle's reputation for mystery is built upon a foundation of chilling disappearances. These incidents, often shrouded in eerie circumstances, have captivated the public imagination for decades. One of the most famous cases is the disappearance of Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy Avenger torpedo bombers vanished during a routine training mission. The flight's leader, Lieutenant Charles Taylor, reportedly radioed about strange compass readings and disorientation before contact was lost. Despite extensive searches, no trace of the planes or their crew was ever found. Another well-known incident is the disappearance of the USS Cyclops, a massive Navy collier carrying over 300 men and a load of manganese ore. In March 1918, the Cyclops vanished without a trace while sailing from Barbados to Baltimore. No distress signals were received and no wreckage was ever found. The disappearance of the Cyclops remains the single largest loss of life in the history of the US Navy not directly attributed to combat. These disappearances, along with many others, have contributed to the enduring mystery surrounding the Bermuda Triangle. Were these incidents merely unfortunate accidents, or is there something more sinister at play in this enigmatic region of the ocean? Could a natural phenomenon be responsible for some of the unexplained disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle? One theory suggests that massive releases of methane gas from the ocean floor might play a role. Vast deposits of methane hydrates, an ice-like substance composed of methane trapped within a lattice of water molecules, exist on the ocean floor. Under certain conditions, these hydrates can rapidly dissociate, releasing enormous bubbles of methane gas that rise to the surface. If a ship were to sail over a large methane eruption, the gas could significantly reduce the density of the water, causing the vessel to lose buoyancy and sink rapidly. Furthermore, methane gas is highly flammable. If a methane bubble were to ignite near a ship or airplane, it could cause a catastrophic explosion. While the methane hypothesis remains speculative, it offers a plausible explanation for sudden and otherwise inexplicable disappearances at sea. Section 4. Magnetic anomalies. A compass's worst nightmare? The Bermuda Triangle has long been associated with stories of compass malfunctions, leading some to speculate about the presence of unusual magnetic anomalies in the area. Could these magnetic disturbances be responsible for throwing ships and planes off course, leading to their demise? It's true that the Earth's magnetic field is not uniform and can exhibit slight variations from place to place. These variations, known as magnetic anomalies, can be caused by factors such as the composition of the Earth's crust and the presence of large iron deposits. However, the magnetic anomalies that have been measured in the Bermuda Triangle are not significantly different from those found in other parts of the world. Furthermore, modern navigation systems rely on sophisticated instruments that are not easily affected by minor magnetic variations. While the idea of compass-disrupting magnetic anomalies in the Bermuda Triangle is intriguing, there's no scientific evidence to suggest that they are any more prevalent or powerful in this region than elsewhere. Section 5. The human element: errors and misjudgments. While we often seek extraordinary explanations for the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, it's essential to remember that human error remains a significant factor in maritime and aviation accidents. The demanding conditions at sea and in the air can test even the most experienced navigators and pilots. Navigation errors, miscommunication, and poor judgment can have disastrous consequences. In the case of Flight 19, for example, some experts believe that Lieutenant Taylor may have become disoriented and misidentified the Florida Keys as another chain of islands, leading him to fly further out to sea instead of returning to base. Similarly, the sinking of the USS Cyclops could have been caused by a combination of factors, including overloading, poor weather conditions, and inadequate navigation equipment. While human error might not be the most exciting explanation for the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, it's often the most likely culprit in accidents at sea and in the air. Section 6. When the seas rage, the wrath of nature. The North Atlantic, where the Bermuda Triangle is located, is known for its unpredictable weather patterns, including sudden storms, rogue waves, and strong currents. These natural hazards can pose significant dangers to ships and aircraft, especially those that are not adequately prepared or equipped to handle them. Hurricanes are a particular threat in the region. These powerful storms can generate winds exceeding 150 miles per hour, torrential rainfall, and towering waves capable of capsizing even large vessels. The Gulf Stream, a powerful current that flows northward along the southeastern coast of the United States, can also create hazardous conditions for mariners. The Gulf Stream can accelerate quickly and unpredictably, generating rough seas and strong rip currents. Given the volatile nature of the North Atlantic, it's not surprising that many maritime and aviation accidents in the Bermuda Triangle can be attributed to severe weather conditions. Nature's fury, rather than any supernatural forces, is often the most plausible explanation for these tragedies. Section 7. Beyond the realm of science, supernatural speculations. The air of mystery surrounding the Bermuda Triangle has spawned a plethora of supernatural and paranormal theories, each more outlandish than the last. These theories, often lacking any scientific basis, appeal to our sense of wonder and fascination with the unknown. Some speculate that the Bermuda Triangle is a portal to another dimension, a gateway to a parallel universe where the laws of physics operate differently. Others believe that the region is a hotbed of extraterrestrial activity, with alien spacecraft abducting ships and planes for unknown purposes. Still, others attribute the strange happenings in the Bermuda Triangle to the lost city of Atlantis, a technologically advanced civilization that supposedly vanished beneath the waves centuries ago. According to this theory, the Atlanteans possessed powerful crystals that could disrupt navigation systems and cause ships and planes to disappear. While these supernatural explanations are entertaining to consider, they are not supported by any credible evidence.